Hi and welcome in the garden. Hi everyone and welcome in this episode and welcome on the garden. I want to show you something. Homemade soil, black gold, and it smells like a forest floor. And in this episode I will show you how you can make it yourself. We have applied our compost onto the vegetable beds. We are here with an empty compost bay, and I will show you in this video how you can make compost yourself, because it's pretty easy. So for compost you need two types of material. So you've got your green material, fruit and vegetable scraps, grass clippings, manures. They are brown from color but they are a green material. So rabbit manure, chicken manure, cow manure, horse manure, coffee grounds, tea leaves. They are all high in nitrogen and they are the green material. So you also need a brown material. So eggshells, dry leaves, wood ash, sawdust, straw, the brown materials, newspaper, you name it. Air and water. Also two elements that are important for our compost bin. I'm gonna switch you guys to another camera, a time lapse, because we have a lot of work. Okay, so you need to have a certain ratio if you want fast compost. It's 2/3 brown material and 1/3 of green material. But if you're doing 50-50, you can cheat a little bit, I guess. So our brown material, in my case I use dry leaves. If you already stacked up, like me now, 4 levels, don't forget to water. Don't do too much water, otherwise it gets soggy and it doesn't work anymore. So I live in a wet climate, so I have a roof over my compost, so I have better control on how wet it is. Very important tip. So now I'm removing. So now I'm trying to remove this front gate, so it's easier to turn the compost bin. And now you can see the layering of the previous year. Sorry friends, and I need a new pallet. I'll show you from a bit closer. Okay, you can see the layers. There is a lot of life over there. Okay, so yeah, we need to turn this, guys. Okay, so now our compost bin has turned and this one is filled up. So that one we just filled. Check exposures. Okay, so yeah, like you can see, guys, this one is full. It is a little bit, but as you can see, most of it is already turned into beautiful ground, compost. I'm gonna put you guys here on the stand, raise you a little bit. Okay, so now you've got a few options. So you can turn it once a week, then within a month you have this beautiful stuff, or you can do like me, just keep it there probably 1 or 2 months when the rest of the green material is coming. Then I will turn it once again, just back onto this one, and then next year I can use all of this bin, and in the summer and in the spring, in the summer and the autumn, this one can be filled up again, and then we get a system, guys. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from this video, that you will start making compost yourself, and also try to grow some vegetables, guys. You can even grow vegetables in small pots like this. You just need to try it. You just need to food and water is keeping us alive, so in my opinion it's a great idea to try it yourself, guys. Peace.